All right, meteorologist D&D Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. This is a serious talk here on the audiocast about the potential of severe weather, including tornadoes, in the area tomorrow. Rain moves out tonight. That's one first key. We then get some clearing. We then see the line coming in from the west, but you see the cells out ahead of it popping. Those will be supercells. Those are cells that could rotate quickly and become have a better chance of tornadic activity. Not to say along the line will, because that looks promising too. By the time we get into the 7 o'clock time frame tomorrow, we get a secondary line come through, but look out from 2 o'clock on, really. It's severe weather potential. And as you see, this storm line will be coming through New Jersey and Philadelphia area too. So you need to watch out for the same issue tomorrow. The new SPC outlook won't be out till after midnight. I will likely post that on the Facebook page tonight. It'll either be a slight or a enhanced risk for the area. I'm surprised if it gets upgraded a little bit. There'll be talk of tornadoes and damaging winds for sure. Take a look at the temperatures. And this is serious too. If you take a look at the temperatures and the winds, look how warm it gets. We get that wind turn out of the south and we get close to 80 degrees before those storms come in. Dew points. We're going to get up to the 60s with the dew points. That's pretty serious. You can see all that warm air off the low-level jet coming from the south. And we have the upper-level winds coming in from the west. And when you have that happen, there's twisting in the atmosphere, allows you to get tornadoes. So we continue to watch this line as it moves east, and you'll see it show up. And that actually is higher ended shear. So we're going to pull up what the hodiograph looks like and go from there. First thing we look at is, look at this, the southwest winds. Look at the size of this wind barbs and increase with height. A lot of that. And the low level is low enough that it would be concerning for a tornado. We look at the hodiograph and it's right turning in a critical angle. You take a look at this storm slinky and it's a right hand turn. That's tornadic. And there you go. Tornado is in the potential hazard type. This is why we're stressing the word tornadoes. STP, almost 3. That's pretty critical. Be truthful. That's pretty high. Supercells at almost 10. This is a pretty decent readout here. We have, let's see, 1,500 Cape, but I would expect that to go almost to 2,000 by the time these storms come here. But the helicity itself, or the wind itself, is going to be a problem. This is bad. We're going to see there's not going to be much of a cap. Damaging winds will come in behind this and probably spin up some tornadic activity. I will be out there taping, doing Facebook Lives to be safe. Do not follow what I do. I'm a long-time spotter, almost 25 years, and chased for a while. And that is something I can do. I have to be very careful, too. I would never put myself in a risk to hurt myself or anybody else. But I do have a ways of doing that, and I will do it tomorrow to keep everybody safe here in the Vinton and Roanoke Valley. It's important. So we'll be talking about that as we go along. But damaging straight line winds and tornadoes are threat. And golf ball size hail, believe it or not, is another threat. So we got some pretty serious stuff coming on here. I'm going to go over to Storm Prediction Center real fast. And I'm actually going to show you the radar real fast. What's going on in the Midwest. Because right now they're getting beat up pretty bad. We had tornado warnings to the west of Chicago. Once again, tornado warning to the west of Chicago. And this continues further south and west. And my God, we're getting a lot of damage and stuff here. Here we go. This has been a long-lived tornado going across parts of Illinois, going into Indiana right now. Watch out as that moves into Indiana. And then up into Kentucky, possibly overnight, and refire. We had some wind damage, 55 mile an hour in Indianapolis. So I mean, this is some pretty serious weather, and we'll continue to watch this. And you'll be seeing me when I update tomorrow using this radar a lot. Like I said, if we look at the SPC right now, this is for 2D outlook, the enhanced level, just to the west. And it's just this whole area is in for it tomorrow. So let's be safe tomorrow, and I'll have an update. Like I said, I'm looking at waiting for the SPC thing to come out about midnight. I post that with the new text. And but people, please prepare early tomorrow morning. Make sure you have batteries, backup power. If you have a generator, do not use it in your house if lights go out. That'll also carbon monoxide poisoning. Make sure that you have a couple ways to get your warnings, because that's very important in getting warnings. Make sure you have multiple ways of doing that, and be safe. Don't try to get out ahead of these storms, because they are going to be pretty violent. We'll talk to you again soon tomorrow. Special update in the morning. Meteorologist Dean Davis. Thanks for watching.